Hey, this is Jason with 4W Knives. Today's project, we're taking this little piece or offcut piece of Damascus from a previous project, and I'm going to work on my hammer skills. We're going to turn this into a little EDC, and we will be using deer antler for the handle. I hope you enjoy it. I like this knife. I really like the way it came out, and I hope you do too. All right, so we're pretty close to finish. We haven't sharpened it yet, and I've been going back and forth on what to do with this antler. So I'm curious what you would have done. Now it's going to be too late by the time I read your comments, but I have decided that I'm going to go ahead and put some stain on this to darken it up a little bit. I just think it looks a little odd going from so white to the dark. But anyway, so we'll see. Let me know what you would have done. Of course, you're going to get to see the results of it, but I'm hoping I made the right decision. All right, got it finished. I don't know about you guys, but I'm glad that I colored it on the handle a little bit. Think that looks a lot better. Thought it flowed into it. I'm also glad that I redesigned the blade once I got it up. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching. I will show some pictures of this in just a minute. It did come out sharp, just as we would like. So anyways, thanks again, and I'll keep trying to do better.